Hi dear students, welcome back to English grammar class. In the last class you studied articles, indefinite articles, a and an. Today you are going to learn definite article the. The is called the definite article because it determines or specifies some particular person or thing. So the first use of definite article is we can use the definite article the when we refer to a particular person, animal or thing. For example, this is the boy whom we met yesterday. Here I have underlined the boy. This is the boy. Here we are specifying this boy because we met him yesterday. The pen you gave me writes well. There is a pen on the table. If you are telling that sentence, there is a pen on the table. There we can use indefinite article a. But here we are telling about a particular pen which you gave me writes well. Okay, so the pen you gave me writes well. The second use of definite article is when we speak of a person, animal or thing we have already mentioned. For example, we met a soldier. Here, which article I have used? Indefinite article a because we met a soldier. And the second sentence, you see, the soldier was carrying a gun. Here, in the second sentence, already mentioned here the first sentence about this soldier. Again, I am repeating the same soldier here. So, we have to use definite article the. Clear students? We met a soldier. The soldier was carrying a gun. And the third point is when a single noun represents a whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, the dog is a singular noun. And this dog is representing the whole group of that dog. So we can tell the dog is a faithful animal. So once again, the first point is a particular person, thing or animal. Second point, when we speak of a person, animal or thing, we have already mentioned. Third point, when a single noun represents a whole class. So in that cases, we can use the definite article. Which is the definite article? The. The next use of the definite article is we can use before the names of oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean. So, before the names of oceans we should use which article? Definite article the. And the names of rivers, before the names of rivers, the Ganga. Before the names of seas, for example, the Red Sea. Before the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Before the names of group of islands, the Andamans. So, before the names of oceans, rivers, seas, mountain ranges, group of islands, we can use the definite article the. The next point is before common nouns which are the only ones of their kind, we can use the definite article the. For example, before the nouns which are the only ones, the sun, the earth, only one sun, only one earth. So, before that type of nouns we can use the definite article the sun, the earth. And the next point is before superlative degree. 3 degrees are there. Which are they? Positive, comparative, superlative. Here, before superlative degree, we have to use definite article the. The tallest, the biggest. Can you say tallest is the superlative form? Can you say which is the comparative and the superlative positive form? Positive form is tall. Comparative form is taller. Big, bigger, biggest. So, in before superlative degree we have to use the Definite article the tallest, the biggest. And seventh point is before the names of holy books. Holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. So before that nouns we have to use definite article the. Newspapers, before the names of newspapers, the Hindu, the Times of India. So before newspapers we have to use definite article the. And the last point is here, ships and trains, before the names of ships. For example, the Titanic. Trains, the Rajdhani. Okay, so before the names of ships and trains also we have to use definite article the. So we have seen how we have to use this definite article the and where can we use. The next topic is the omission of the definite article the. Where don't we use this definite article? Okay, it's very important. Listen carefully. The first point is before a proper noun. For example, if your name is Anirudh, we can't say the Anirudh. Okay, so before a proper noun, we should not use which article? Definite article or any articles. Okay, then the next point is before abstract noun. Here example, honesty is the best policy. Here abstract noun is honesty. So there is no need to use the honesty. Okay, honesty is the best policy. Third point, before words like king, queen, pope, when they are followed by their name. For example, actually when we are using the word king, once upon there was a king. The king was a kind king. Okay, so the king we can use. But here, what is here? Before words like king, queen, pope, when they are followed by their name. Example, King Louis 9 was a good king. Okay, King Louis 9 was a good king. Here no need to use definite article the. And the fourth point is before the names of materials. Gold is a very costly metal. So here before the word gold there is no need to use definite article the. The fifth point is before the names of languages or subjects you study. For example, who teaches you botany? Here botany is a subject you study. So before the noun botany there is no need to write definite article the. Sixth point, before the names of games no need to use definite article the. For example, I like to play cricket. There is no need to write I like to play the cricket. So before the noun names of languages or subjects you study or before the names of games there is no need to use which article? Definite article the. Seventh point, definite article the is not used before places of assembly like church, school, office, market, hospital, etc. when they are visited by those who work there. That means when used for their primary purpose, there is no need to use definite article the. Clear, students? Example, it will be little more clear. I learned music at school. This is our primary purpose. So we are working in the school or we are going to school. So this is our primary purpose. So no need to use definite article the. Clear? We go to church on Sundays. No need to write we go to the church on Sundays. It will be wrong. We go to church on Sundays. And last I have written one more example. Through that example it will be little more clear for you. But we have to use definite article the in the case of this example. My uncle went to the school to meet the principal. Here uncle is not studying in the school. So this to meet the principal is a secondary purpose for my uncle. So my uncle went to the school to meet the principal. Clear, students? If you are working in an office, or if you are studying in one school, or if you are regularly going to one church, in that cases there is no need to mention, or there is no need to write the definite article there. But if another person is going, or we are mentioning about another person for their purpose is a secondary one, there you have to use this definite article that my uncle went to the school to meet the principal. Clear? So in this lesson, in this class, we have learned how to use definite article the. Last class you have studied indefinite articles or an, or an, and this class you studied about definite article the. For SSLC examination, there will be one sure question from articles, 1 mark question. So learn well, and you have to learn previous class portion also plus this one also. Okay, definite article and indefinite articles. See you in the next class.